everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 20th to the 24th of September 2021 on Monday. Pretty makes a confession that enraged the entire Sekamela household. Tlotlesong makes a proposal to Clement that is bound to change both their life forever on Tuesday. Pretty is forced to make a firm decision about her unborn child. Tlotlesong's wife unleashes hell on him for a life-altering decision he's made. Notile goes spontaneous on Lehasa and he likes it on Wednesday. Pretty received a painful limber stick when she tried to reach out to the father of her unborn child. Koloi warns a friend from making decisions while bamboozled by a honeymoon phase on Thursday. Meeting his new lover's parents is a blow on or to Lehasa's self-esteem. Pretty is rendered mute when she learns of her eldest plans to take a trip with him. Clement planned to start his new life off without a lead on Friday. Lehasa denies being the father of Pretty's baby. Someone who knows Tlotlesong's wife catches him lunching with his new babe. Two former lovers meet on the street of Teflop. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.